B's Kitchen. I hope you have a great day. Today, guys, I'm gonna show you how to saute kale. So let's get right into the ingredients. Here I have organic kale, tomatoes, red pepper, yellow pepper, onion, carrots, garlic, red pepper flakes, salt, and pepper. So let's get started, guys. We're gonna start off by chopping our vegetables. The kale is chopped now. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wash it. Then after wash it, then we're gonna cook it. I have a skillet on a medium-high heat. I'm gonna add about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Add onion, carrots, then I'm gonna saute this for about 5 minutes. Next, I'm gonna add chopped garlic, red pepper, and yellow pepper. I'm gonna continue saute this for another 3 minutes. Next, I'm gonna add my tomatoes. And let it go for another 2 minutes. So at this time, I'm gonna add black pepper and red pepper flakes. I love spicy food, guys. Now it's time to add kale. We're gonna saute our kale for 2 minutes. We don't want to overcook it, guys. We don't want to lose the nutrients and flavor. Next, we're gonna add salt to taste. Now we're gonna stop here. Our kale is ready. We don't want to overcook it. There you have it, guys. Sauteed kale. This recipe is simple and easy to make. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, welcome to Mama B's Kitchen. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Please follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.